Elizabeth has decided to decorate us with stickers.
Oh, my! They are yours. Those are your stickers. Oh, my! Can Mommy have one? Can I have this one? Can Mommy have it? You got one more. Where's it gonna go? Now we need to take a picture and post it to Facebook. Elizabeth, come sit with me.
Look over your
Show
stickers.
Daddy. Let's show everybody. Hold out your
Ta-da!
arm. Look at the camera.
I'm taking video right now.
Who's the picture? Hurry while she's